What's up, YouTubers? Coming to you guys from a 2007 Volvo cross-country wagon in lava sand. This has the very unusual optional navigation. Absolutely useless. I thought the Audi was old school. This is way old school. We got 160,000 miles. Little 3-owner car. Beautiful, sexy Carfax. Timing belt changed about 20k miles ago. New tires. And man, it is just a jam-up car. It turns out I had previously bid on this car at the auction and got outbid. And I didn't realize it until I went to look at it this afternoon. It's on the guy's dealer's lot. I can't find anything for sale by owner. I can't find anything at the auction. Everything is high as hell. And this guy's got it on his lot for $3,900, and I might just buy it. I've got to do some adhesive here, which I've done on my 06 XC70 I had. I've got a check stop lamp light going on, and another damn rear wiper that will not work. I don't know if I even mentioned to y'all, I changed that over the Mother's Day weekend on the Audi. I put a new rear wiper motor on that car. Hang on a second, gotta do some slipstreaming. But this one's out too. But it's a straight car. It's a no accident car, good Carfax, tons of service history. Like I said, including the timing belt. It's been largely serviced by a Volvo dealer. It's got ice cold AC, got heated seats. The interior is in pretty damn good shape. Like I said, I need to glue those little A-pillars back up. That's very common. We got good acceleration. This is about 50% throttle. Turbo pulls good. I mean, she's solid. She's solid. But I quit bidding at $2,200 and he won the bid. So with auction fee of about $350, I know he's got about $2,550 in it. If he didn't make any repairs, he's asking $3,900. If I could get it for $35, I would be comfortable with that. So I will keep you guys posted. If I get a chance to do a little walk around of the outside, I will, but I may not get a chance. Let me see if I can find a spot to pull over and maybe get a little walk around before I get back to his place. Yeah, maybe right here. Let's do it right here. We can do it right here. Oh, I'm not sure where I'm at. I'm a little bit in foreign territory. I'm near the Goon Squad, y'all. Yes, I am not far from there. Actually passed by their house on the way to this car lot. But, you know, that's their privacy, so. Anyway, there she is. Not bad looking. New set of Westlake tires. Kind of cheap, but not bad. The headlights need to be polished, but the wheels look good. They're not chewed up. The body's pretty straight with not a door dings really. The top of the mirrors are starting to lose their clear coat. I mean, it's not a bad looking old car really. It's pretty decent. All-wheel drive, of course, which got some funky scratching and cracking going on there. I'm not real sure what that's about. But, yeah, good little runner. Great running little car. That little 5-cylinder just sounds just sweet as can be. I've had a plenty of them. Lord help, have I had the 5-cylinder turbos and non-turbos. they're hard to beat engines, and they take a little bit of abuse too. Like if you're a little neglectful on your oil changes and stuff like that, they'll take a beating. But this one, like I said, looks like it's been pretty well serviced. Everything looks good. So you know, stick around. I'll post another video if I end up taking her home. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.